this episode, the 10 most intelligent animals in the world. As always, we have a very special guest, so stick around to find out. Number 10. The raccoon. Raccoons are highly adaptable and intelligent creatures. They exhibit excellent problem-solving skills and can manipulate objects. They use their dexterous paws to solve various challenges. Number 9. The African grey parrot. African grey parrots are known for their remarkable communication skills, ability to copy human speech, and their display of problem-solving abilities. They love to communicate, play, and to learn new tricks. Number 8. The octopus. The octopus is considered a highly intelligent marine creature. They have remarkable learning abilities. They are fast learners and can use this to their advantage to get out of difficult situations. Number 7. The orca. Orcas, or killer whales, are known for their exceptional intelligence and sophisticated hunting techniques. In this example, you can see how the orcas break the ice platform to eventually get to the seals. Number 6. Ravens and crows. Ravens and crows are highly intelligent birds, mostly known for their problem-solving abilities. They can use tools, solve puzzles, demonstrate insight, and even display a sense of playfulness. Number 5. The elephant. Elephants exhibit remarkable intelligence, demonstrated by their advanced memory, social complexity, and ability to solve complex problems. They possess self-awareness and even display empathy. Number 4. The border collie. Border collies are particularly known for the herding of sheep. They can quickly learn and understand complex commands, showcase impressive levels of focus, agility, and obedience. Number 3. The orangutan. Orangutans are highly intelligent primates. They have excellent long-term memory and can recall past events and specific locations. Orangutans exhibit complex social behavior, also including empathy. Number 2. The chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are known for their exceptional intelligence, fast learning, great tool-using capabilities, and problem-solving skills. They are self-aware and can even recognize themselves in a mirror. Number 1. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is hailed as the smartest animal in the world. He effortlessly grasps complex concepts, paving the way for groundbreaking innovations. Also, he has some of the best dancing moves. Number 1. The dolphin. Dolphins exhibit high levels of intelligence. They can learn and understand new tasks, use tools, and even display self-awareness. Dolphins are also well known for their tricks during shows. Thank you for watching. If you could leave a like and subscribe, you would make me a happy fella. Also, make sure you tune in for the next episode. If you don't tune in for the next episode, I will kick you in the shins.